How to create Twitter or X account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded X app on your device. You can get this app easily from the App Store or Play Store. Once completion of its download process, launch your X app. You will land to this kind of page. Now to create your account, click on this option of Create Account. Now you have to fill this to create your X account. Go ahead and type in your name. Type in your email address, then type in your date of birth. Now select your date of birth. After you select it, click on Next. Authenticate your account. Click on the option of Authenticate. Now you have to solve this. Use the arrows to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. Now you will be receiving verification code in your email address that you have just entered. So close this and check your mail. You can see that X has sent me the mail. You'll also receive similar kind of mail. Just open this mail. So here's the code, you can copy it. Once you copy this code, close this. Launch your X app. Type in that code over here. After you type in the code, click on Next. Now generate password for your X account. Once you are done, click on Sign Up. Now you can pick your profile picture for your X account. For this video, I will be using this one emoji as a profile picture for my X account. Now you can select username for your account. After you select username, click on Next. And just with that, you have created your X account. So this way you can easily create your X account. Now you can select what do you want to see on your X account and click on Next. So you can see that I have just created my X account. Following these steps, you can also easily create your X account. I hope now you guys are clear about how to create your X account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.